So, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, hi everybody. My name is Marty, Junior's mother. We came here for Junior's treatment. Junior was diagnosed with PST since 2008.
2008. So, there was some symptoms that had come up, or suddenly something had happened?
Yeah, he was bleeding, nose bleeding. So from there we went to population, a small hospital in Zimbabwe. So they advised me to go to Harenyatwa to see specialists for him. So from there, Junior was starting taking his tablets, his medication.
Okay. And why did you choose India?
Here we heard that they have specialists. They know how to do the surgery here in India. In Zimbabwe, they don't do VSD surgeries there.
So, how did you connect with us, Treatment Possible and Brave Hearts?
Someone from Brave Heart Group introduced me here. Listed was.
Okay.
One introduced us here.
So, she introduced you to Brave Hearts.
Yes. So from there we went to social welfare. They helped us with money to come here. But I thank the Brave Hearts family. They helped me with everything. They introduced me to you, to Mr. Liju, to Mr. Leo.
Okay. So, how was your overall experience during the treatment? Did the doctors explain you the process? Evaluation was done in time?
Yes, he said sometimes you have to take a risk for your child to survive. So I take a risk for my son to survive.
And how was the recovery? How fast was the recovery?
It was fast.
So, would you like to mention any good experience or bad experience?
No, everything was perfect.
So, how was your local support?
My local support was good.
You were feeling at home?
Yes, more than at home. Yes, good.
Yeah, we can see that you are looking at Indian also now. So, would you like to recommend Treatment Possible to your family or friends?
To my family and friends out there, I would advise you to take a risk for your babies to survive. That's my advice. Thank you so much, Mr. Lee and your team. Thank you.